the video and note down this. See, first part of movement along the demand curve or change in quantity demanded. See, first part, expansion in demand, expansion in demand, or you can say expansion in demand means expansion in demand means downward movement, downward movement, downward movement. So this is the first part of expansion in demand. It means, see, expansion in demand means expansion in demand. Expansion means increase. Expansion means increase or rise. Expansion in demand. Expansion in demand refers to the rise in and in the quantity demanded of a commodity expansion in demand refers to the rise in quantity of a commodity due to decrease in expansion means increase in demand. So increase in demand means price will decrease, means price decrease in price of given commodity keeping, this line is most important, keeping other factors constant, or you can write ceteris paribus. Ceteris paribus means keeping other factors constant. So it is known as expansion in demand. It is called expansion in demand. Expansion in demand. See, this is the definition of expansion in demand. But see, sub point, there is a, in expansion demand there will be downward, there is a downward movement, See, after this, it is also known as extension in demand, or increase in extension demand or increase in quantity demanded. See, next, law of demand. Law of demand exists in it. Law of demand exists in it. See, this is the definition, and there is a downward movement. Then after we will show this theoretical portion with the help of diagrammatically presentation. See, it is also known as extension in demand or increase in quantity demanded. Law of demand exists in it because because law of demand states that keeping other factor constant, or you can say, what is the definition of law of demand? Keeping other factor constant, law of demand states that the inverse relationship between price of given commodity and demand of given commodity. Means we are talking about here also. See, decrease in price of given commodity and quantity demanded of a commodity. See, diagrammatically, see first of all schedule. See schedule. Price in rupees, quantity demanded in units. Price in rupees. Take care. Here we will show diagram. See, price in rupees, quantity demanded in units. See, suppose initial price is 5. Initial price is 5. Initial price is 5 and quantity demanded is suppose 100 units. How many units? 100 units. Suppose price decreases from take here 10. Suppose price initial price is rupee 10 and quantity demanded at rupee means 100 units. Suppose price decreases from 10 to 5. Price decreases from 10 to 5, then quantity demanded increases from 100 to 200. So this is the table. This is the table, or you can say this is the schedule of this, because see, it refers to the rise in the quantity demanded. Rise in the quantity demanded of a commodity due to decrease in price of given commodity, keeping other factors constant. It is called expansion in demand. So this is the table of expansion in demand or expansion in demand or increase in quantity demanded. See after this diagram of this. This is the x-axis, this is the origin, and this is the y-axis. See here price is measured on the y-axis and quantity demanded measured on the x-axis. See, suppose initial price is rupee 10 and initial quantity 100 units and price decreases from 10 to 5. Price decreases from 10 to 5. Now quantity demanded increases from 100 to 200. See, this is the demand. See, means quantity demand increase from 100 to 200, so movement will be downward, and this downward movement shows that quantity demanded increases from 100 to 200 units because of decrease in, you can say due to decrease in price from rupee 10 to rupee 5, means downward movement, or you can write expansion in demand. I hope all of you have understood expansion in demand. Expansion in demand means increase in quantity demanded. Increase in quantity demanded means when price decreases. I hope the definition of this is clear. See, these points are also clear, and schedule and diagram also clear. See, after this, means this is the first part of movement along the demand curve. First part of movement along the demand curve is downward movement, means expansion in demand, or you can say first part of change in quantity demanded means expansion in demand. But after this, we will discuss next part of this means movement along the demand curve means upward movement. Next part of this upward movement. I hope first part is clear. Please pause the video and note down this. See next part. Next part means second part. Second part is means contraction. Contraction in demand. Contraction in demand means upward movement.